Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to navigate PowerDirector interface. When you open your PowerDirector on your computer, you are greeted with a multiple panel workspace. Unlike apps, where everything is simplified into one screen, the PC version spreads tools across different areas so you can work faster and more precisely. So the interface is mainly divided into four important sections. So first, you need to open to your PowerDirector app. Once you click onto this new project, you'll find this timeline and this. Over here, the timeline is the heart of your PowerDirector. This is where all the clips are placed and edited, where you can drag a video or photo from media library into timeline. It appears as a block. You can move these blocks left to right to change the order of your video as well. So under this navigation flow, you can also import your media here. You can select to this import. You can import your files here. You can either upload your video or your photo here as well by simply double clicking on it, and that is it. And you can drag it under this timeline as well. You can edit using your tool panel in the top. You can add your audio, titles, transition effects as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.